Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be diving into a tool that can potentially supercharge your investing game. Previously known as Morningstar Premium, it is now called Morningstar Investor. Now, if you're a seasoned investor or you're just maybe starting out, having a reliable stock screener and portfolio management tool, as well as investment experts on your side, can absolutely be a game changer. So that's where Morningstar Investor comes in. In this video, we're going to break down what Morningstar Investor is. We're going to talk and explore its key features. We're going to discuss whether it is worth the investment. We'll go over the pros and cons, everything, cost, and much more. So let's get started. Hey there, thanks so much for checking out our channel. This is one of many reviews of different stock screener, portfolio managers, stock picking services. So if you haven't already subscribed, definitely a good idea to do so. Make sure you don't miss out on any other videos that we are going to be putting out there, reviewing different apps. Plus, you can go back and see what we've already reviewed on the channel. So smash that subscribe button. All right, what is Morningstar Investor? Think of Morningstar Investor as your own personal financial assistant. It's a comprehensive platform that offers a ton of tools to help you research stocks, analyze your portfolio, and make smarter investment decisions. Now, something new to Morningstar Investor as opposed to when it was Morningstar Premium is the ability to allow users to connect their brokerage accounts to download transactions and your balances, which I'm sure if you have investments in other platforms, that is maybe going to be a nice feature for you. Obviously, though, at its core, Morningstar Investor is a stock screener. And so what that means is you can filter through thousands of stocks based on various criteria like price, market capitalization, earnings growth, and much more. One way I like to look at it is that I view it as this powerful magnifying glass that is going to help you really find those diamond in the rough stocks or other investments out there. So briefly, let's go over those key features that are offered with Morningstar Investor. And first is the stock screener. We've already touched on this, but the stock screeners are really a highlight of this platform. So you can create custom screens to match your specific investing style and goals with the stock screener. Another feature is the portfolio analysis. Morningstar Premium, or I should say Morningstar Investor, gives you a deep dive into really your portfolio. You can see how your investments are performing. You can identify areas of concentration and even get those recommendations for rebalancing your portfolio. What sets it apart is really a long list of data points Morningstar offers depending on the type of investment you have. And they also have this X-ray tool that allows you and shows you the allocation of your portfolio, which includes stocks versus bonds, sectors, and geographic coverage. And then there's the analyst reports. If you're looking, for in-depth analysis on individual stocks, Morningstar's analyst reports are definitely top-notch from what we've already reviewed. The Morningstar ratings. One of the most popular features is the Morningstar ratings. These ratings are going to give you this sort of quick snapshot, I guess you could say, of a stock's long-term risk-adjusted return potential they offer. Now, this is one of the areas, in my opinion, as the app, there's some room for growth because it appears to just wrap up what you see in the web version or the desktop version into a screen on your tablet or on your phone. So with that said, you can probably expect to do a lot of scrolling side to side to see all the information regarding your portfolio, which definitely might be a little annoying. All right, so I gave you a brief overview. Let's now go into the platform and just kind of briefly look at a couple of things we just talked about and just what it looks like. All right, so we are in the platform. I did just sign up for an account. It says, thank you for joining Morningstar Investor. And if you do sign up for that 7-day free trial, which I'll talk about in a second after we're done going through here, it does ask for your credit card. So you're going to have to give your credit card information so you can easily get out of it, I'm assuming, after 7 days, or before 7 days are up, if you do not like the service or it's not for you. But just wanted to let you know that. Continuing to the site. All right, so this is what the main screen looks like. Just wanted you to kind of see that when you first log in and you have your investor account. I'm going to just go over here to the left. I always like to see what the menu has and just click that. Tools, portfolio, watch list, screener, chart, rating changes, sections, markets, investing ideas. So we'll go through those in a second. Let me just see if it's all the same over here. On the top, we have portfolio, we have tools. I'll click that down. Yep, so it is pretty similar. As you can see, things kind of align there. Let me just scroll down the main page so you can see what we're looking at. And I haven't done anything. I haven't customized anything at this point. But you can see a lot of your articles are on the page that are easily accessible. Let's just, for fun, click on one. 3 great ETFs for jittery markets. This was written September 18th, so it's very up to date because today is actually September 18th. So that's kind of nice. You do still have some ads that you can see that are playing in the articles, but it's going to give you a nice little rundown and give you those 3 picks that it mentioned. Let's go back to the main page. And then I'm going to just go up to that left button again. I think it pretty much aligns. So let's go back out and let's just click on portfolio. Create a portfolio to track your investments. Create your first portfolio to start monitoring your investments with Morningstar ratings and data. I just want to see what happens if I click that. So you could name your portfolio and then you'd be able to obviously start creating your portfolio. I'm not going to do that at the moment. Let's go to tools because we are running through a lot of this. Let's go to watch lists. Create a watch list of your investment ideas or compare securities using our ratings. Just for fun, let's just pick popular. We'll put popular. Create your watch list. And then I can add securities. So I'll add, there's Amazon, add Amazon. Well, we'll keep it at that just so you can see that's Amazon and then it gives you kind of the rundown. Screener. If you're familiar with stock screeners, this looks very similar. This is going to help you screen for certain things you might be looking for in specific stocks. So without me going into full detail, it is very much like that. You can kind of use left side to narrow or filter things out, but that's pretty much what this stock screener looks like. If we click on chart, add securities to create your chart, indexes to compare prices and return your data. So just another way to look at the stocks differently. Rating changes, let's see what this is. And it's going to give you a kind of a rundown. So if any of these stocks were on your list, you would want to know maybe why these stocks are changing on their rating. They get previous rating 2 stars, now it's 3 stars. 3 stars, now 4 stars. This one, let's see what that is. Sylvania Platinum Limited went from a 4-star rating to a 3-star rating. And so that's basically just kind of giving you that insight. If we go into sections, you can see portfolio construction. Let's go there once to see. And customize that. Let's just click on economy once. Okay, articles about the economy. Maybe articles about personal finance, retirement for advisors. Let's go to markets, market movers, indexes. Let's just look at the market movers. So these are going to be the stock gains, and so you're able to take a look at all of them. And you're going to also see the losers. If we go to funds, let's see what that takes us to. More articles. And also is going to give you, index funds or also mutual funds, specifically ETFs. You can get a good look at some articles on different ETFs. Stocks would be the same thing. Maybe articles. Let's just see what happens. So these are the featured stocks. Here's a full list of stocks. Let's just go stocks on sale. The best of both worlds companies making this list have a wide or narrow economic moat, competitive advantage that allows company to earn excess returns competitors at bay. Morningstar analysts assign every company they cover an economic moat rating of wide, narrow, or none. Their stocks are also trading at a large discount 4 and 5-star to Morningstar's fair value estimate. So there you have it. I have a bunch of different lists that you could see on that last page. Here's your account information. I can go to my profile, my subscription, and all that to learn more about what Morningstar has to offer. But hopefully that was helpful to you. I know I went quickly. I just wanted to give you kind of an inside look at it. If you did have any questions, I definitely drop those in the comments. But let's continue with this review. Let's get into, I always like to highlight this, probably something that you've been thinking about, you're wondering up until this point, and that is price. So this is the last piece of information that I really want to cover here before we kind of wrap this review up. But Morningstar costs $249 a year, although I do have a link, and I'll put that in the description. I'll put that, I'll also pin that in the comments below. And you can get a discounted rate here. So definitely might be worth your while if you are going to try this and see for yourself. And I say try it out because there is a 7-day free trial. So if it's not what you expected, then you don't lose anything. You can get out of it. But hopefully in those 7 days, you're going to see, that it's useful for you. We've highlighted the features. We talked about a couple of things inside the platform. We looked at the price. Let's now weigh the differences or what the pros and cons are of this service. First, the pros, it does provide star ratings 1 to 5 to summarize funds' risk-adjusted past performance. There's the full fund screener tool, and there's a discount if you're paying annually opposed to paying per month. When it comes to the cons, it can be expensive for casual investors. And the other big con is that it is not a brokerage. So you can import your investments from other platforms, but you're not going to be able to actually buy, sell, trade stocks, investments on this platform. Ultimately, Morningstar Investor is a tool that can empower you to make more informed investment decisions. Definitely can see that. And even if you're a seasoned investor or you're just starting out, it's definitely worth considering. But if you're interested in learning more or trying it out for yourself, like I said, I'll leave a link to Morningstar Investor's website in the description below. And that way you'll just be able to really see for yourself. But, I don't have, a ton of negative things to say about it. As you could kind of see, we tried to highlight everything, tried to encompass everything. But thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you can get more investing tips and reviews. And I will see you in the next video.